Okay, I've got a 36 grit disc on my grinder here. And for this repair, I'm not gonna have to grind too much, honestly. I just wanna get that area flat, and I wanna get the raw fiberglass exposed so I can lay the mat down. It's actually pretty good since I already repaired the outside and the underside. It's not got any holes or anything like that. So we'll just do a light grind and then lay that mat down. All right, I think we've got everything ground down pretty good, all up the side and on that floor area. Got some nice fiberglass exposed. Next, I'm gonna start patching with the fiberglass mat and resin. I'm gonna do this bottom area first, get those areas covered and flat, and then I'm gonna take on the back of the shell back here and do that secondary. Not try and do it all at once. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, I've got my mat laid out for the first layer. This is gonna be the first layer to cover those up. Next, after this is laid down, I'm gonna put a bigger layer to go over this, and then a third and final layer to cover probably that whole entire patch area all together. There we've got 5 layers of mats stacked on top of each other for the trunk. I think that's pretty good. Honestly, gonna let that dry and set. And then I'm gonna start working on the clamshell part of the sidewalls here. All right, I was able to get all the glassing done. Once that dried, I waited a day, let that all cure and dry. Next day here today, I threw some primer and some white paint down. I think, honestly, for a trunk, that looks pretty good. And most importantly, the structure's good because it's all fiberglass, no filler, nothing else. Just some fiberglass mat and resin. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll continue on. I think pretty much all I got left to do is do the back side here and paint.